All right, let's talk about Solana, guys. This cryptocurrency has been downtrending, taking a lot of pain. I'm going to give you guys a price prediction, so let's get right into it. So right now it's currently priced at about $33, guys, and it's been bouncing off this support. Now, I do see Solana going a little bit lower, but I want to see what's going to happen in the next couple days to weeks if it bounces off this support. Let's get right into it. So currently being priced at $33, you can see that if we zoom in a little bit more, that when it hit that $41, it basically put down and basically bounced a little bit, and it's currently at this minor support right here. Now, for me, guys, I don't think it's going to hold this too long. I think it's going to take a little bit lower and head back down to this support zone down here. Basically, with this bigger zone. So, if it doesn't hold this area right now, this current price, I do see it going down lower here. Now, from here is the interesting part. Now, a lot of cryptocurrencies might bounce and take like a trend reversal, like a double bounce, but if you see the zone, it seems like it's going to either wick down hard. Like, see how these wicks down here? Now, I think it's going to either do one of the two things, but it's either going to, shoot back down and wick up to go back to a higher to, start a new trend, or it's going to wick down, close here about the $28 level, and then go lower over time and just continue the downtrend even more to lower prices. But I think it would take a lot of buyers, a lot of new people to re-enter the market for it to reverse pretty hard. So I think most likely it's going to be lower. And my price prediction overall, guys, is going to be about $28. That's $4 lower than it's currently priced out right now. $4 or $5 more. I'm sorry, $4 or $5 lower. And if it hits that, guys, most people are going to enter a buy market, or either buy market or buy limit. I don't think it's going to be a real strong evidence for it. I think it's the most likely the overall trend is short. So if we're on the daily right now, so let's go to the weekly. We can see that the weekly is pretty strong, and it's kind of making kind of a head and shoulders a little bit. But this zone here might build up to go up to higher, but I have a good feeling, if I have to put like a betting man on it, put money on it, but I think it's going to go lower. It's going to break the $28 level and probably head down lower, and might go into this very, very painful area. So if people who are holding Solana, if it goes down to this zone right here, let me put an arrow over here. If it goes into somewhere around here, it might just free fall pretty hard. So this is pretty crucial. If you can't maintain these prices, it may head down a lot lower, and it might not come back for quite some time, or not at all. But I do see it going a little bit lower, guys. My price prediction is $28. So if you have any questions how I came to that, this is how it is. And if you guys are dollar cost averaging in, or buying the dip, just tell me what you guys' plans are. I just see that it goes lower, and I trade most cryptos that I get into, not cash positions. So for me, I do see it lower. I might get into a short position if it pulls back, but I make an updated video. But let me get to some other key details about Solana. So I made a video about this a few weeks ago, talking about it. But currently it's ranked number 9, about $33 right now, 11.39 or $11.4 billion market cap. It's on 1.6 million people's watch list, which is really impressive. But let's look at this video that I made about it not too long ago. So Solana had 1.65 million people's watch list, 1.67, so a lot more people's watch list. Which is great. It's a little bit down from there, about maybe around $1.50, $2 since the last made this video. This is June 18th. Also, it had 11.8, so we lost like $500 million. Just it's a big loss, but it's not too bad. It's not too far off from it. But guys, in the video, it takes a long time to make these videos, and giving you guys my analysis. So please, guys, like, share, and subscribe to this. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow this to a lot larger platform, so please subscribe. So let's get to the other thing over here. If you guys looking for other markets and where to find this, Binance, FTX, it's on pretty much most platforms because it's in the top 10, so you guys can find this. But I'll have this link below to see if it's available for you guys. What else? Here's Solana.com. Check out the website if you're looking for updates and stuff. I always check out the websites to look at things like average cost per transaction, how many nodes they have, nodes, and transactions per second. That's absolutely insane to know these things, to see if it's actually being used. Cryptocurrency that hasn't, cryptocurrency gotta have a use to it. So Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and fastest growing economy in crypto, with thousands of projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3s, and more. So check out their ecosystem, guys, to learn more about this cryptocurrency. If you want news updates, just go to their Twitter page. Get 1.9 million followers. I usually check out their Twitter just to see what's coming out with the cryptocurrency, to see if it's worth getting into, what kind of projections they have. I usually post it on there. But other than that, guys, check out my website. I just updated it. If you're looking for indicators, looking for trading stuff, I completely updated. So if you guys are looking for stuff like that, if you guys are looking to contact me, contacts below. I made it more simple. If you're looking for economy stuff, things about like long-term projections, market stuff, I updated that too. I only finished the precious metals and the commodities portion, and the economy I'm still building. So check it out, guys, when you guys can. And education, I'm building basically like a place to learn how more about trading and stuff. So if you guys want to check that out, please do. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for making the end of the video, and I'll see you on the next one.